What if every time people started panicking about a recession, you stopped investing? No guessing, no vibes, just data. Today, I'm answering one simple question using real market history. Should you always invest no matter what? Or should fear of a recession change your strategy? Most people say don't time the market. But let's be honest, when headlines start screaming recession, it's really hard not to hesitate. So I decided to test it. I built a backtest that simulates a regular 9 to 5 investor. No hedge funds, no insider info, just someone investing $100 every month into the S&P 500. Then I compared 3 strategies. Classic dollar cost averaging, invest every paycheck, no matter what. Recession fear investing, only invest when public fear is low. Recession indicator investing, only invest when official economic data says we're safe. Same contributions, same timeline, different rules. Let's start simple. If you invested $100 every month starting in 1998 and did nothing fancy, you'd end up with about $2.5 million. If instead you just saved that money, no investing at all, you'd have around $32,400. So yeah, investing works. No surprise there. But what happens when fear gets involved? To measure fear, I used Google Trends. Basically, I tracked how often people searched the word recession. More searches equals more fear. The rule was simple. High fear? Stop investing. Stack cash. Fear goes away? Dump everything back into the market. This strategy avoided investing during scary moments like 2008 and COVID. Sounds smart, right? Here's the problem. Every time you sit in cash, you're not just avoiding losses, you're missing gains. And those gains often happen when things still feel uncomfortable. When I ran the numbers, the fear-based strategy lost to boring dollar-cost averaging. Even though it avoided crashes, it also missed rebounds, and those rebounds matter a lot. Okay, fair question. What if, instead of public fear, we used an actual economic signal? So I tested Sahm's Rule, a real recession indicator based on unemployment data that economists actually use. Same idea. Indicator says recession? Stop investing. Indicator clears? Invest everything. This wasn't guessing, this was real data. And the result? Still worse than dollar cost averaging. Even with a legitimate recession indicator, waiting to invest meant lower returns. Why? Because the market doesn't wait for certainty. By the time a recession is confirmed, prices have often already moved. Here's the most important takeaway. Time in the market beats timing the market. Fear feels logical. Waiting feels responsible. But historically, it's almost always a losing move. Every paycheck you don't invest is time you never get back. So if you're wondering whether you should pause investing because a recession might be coming, the data is pretty clear. Boring wins. Consistency wins. And turning your brain off might be the smartest strategy of all. If you want the full code, check out my GitHub sponsor. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.